My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the new unwanted browser extension that may be injected into the Google Chrome browser. The extension is called Page Ranking Tool. The developers of this service indicate that by installing the extension you will be able to find out the rank of the web page you visit. But in reality, this particular extension called Page Ranking Tool may hijack a lot of important browser settings of Google Chrome. The extension is spread through various dubious methods. For instance, it may be bundled with some free software, or it may be promoted by means of fake software or browser update alerts. So you should be very careful not to tolerate this extension, and if it was mistakenly installed, if you don't remember installing it based on your own decision, then you should remove this extension. Well, how to remove the unwanted extensions from Google Chrome? You first of all need to access the menu of your Google Chrome browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then you'll find this extension enabled. You need to disable the extension and remove the extension. I'll show you what exactly happens with this extension enabled. So when you submit some particular search queries, you may notice that the results are eventually delivered by Bing, by Yahoo search, or by some other search engine that has not been selected by you initially. And this is all happening because of this extension enabled in your Google Chrome browser. So Page Ranking Tool may modify a lot of crucial browser settings, and no matter what search queries you submit, you still get the results by some unfamiliar search provider. So, to fix these issues, this Page Ranking Tool extension must be disabled and completely removed. Another step that I recommend you to do is to scan your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. The point is that your computer may be additionally burdened by some adware or potentially unwanted software, fake Adobe Flash players, which may also cause unwanted browser redirections. You can check your available applications and remove any suspicious software. But so far, it may happen that you don't find anything suspicious, but still some unwanted browser behavior may be traced in your particular case. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect other threats that might be hidden in your computer. Get it on the official website combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, this is the way it looks like. First of all, it will update its antivirus database. After that, click on Start Combo Scan button. The program will begin the research of your computer. It is initially in the trial mode, but there are 3 absolutely free features: disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So wait until the scanning is completed and you will see the summary of all threads at the end of scan. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. At the end of scan, the program gives you the detailed summary of all the threads that were found during the scanning. Most importantly, you need to pay careful attention to the antivirus section. So you may click on Antivirus tab and then click on Review Results. This will show you the full summary of all the threads that were found during the scan by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, whether it was the trial or the premium version of the program. The good thing about the trial and the premium version is that you are able to know the location, the exact location of each specific thread on your computer. So the application Combo Cleaner not only gives you the name of the thread, but it also shows you where exactly it is located. For instance, you may choose this specific thread, and then you may click on the special icon that says Show in Finder. So you'll be able to establish the exact presence of threat on your Mac, and you may right-click on it and move it to the trash manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove all these threats automatically.